What if I told you you could run your own AI assistant without buying a Mac Mini, without a home server, and without leaving it running 24/7? Well, Cloudflare just dropped something interesting. It's called Moltworker, and it might change how AI agents are hosted. Cloudflare has unveiled an experimental project called Moltworker. It allows developers to run a self-hosted AI agent entirely on Cloudflare's global edge network instead of on personal hardware. This comes at a time when autonomous AI agents are exploding in popularity, and people are literally buying extra computers just to keep them online. Cloudflare's answer? Let the cloud be the computer. Over the past year, open-source AI assistants like Moltbot have gained traction. These agents can browse the web, automate tasks, interact with apps, and respond to messages. But there's a catch. They usually need a dedicated machine running 24/7. That's expensive, that's inconvenient, and that's exactly the problem Moltworker is trying to solve. So what is Moltworker? It's not a consumer product. Cloudflare calls it a proof of concept. Moltworker adapts an AI agent so it can run inside Cloudflare workers and secure sandboxes, turning it into a serverless, edge-based application. Under the hood, it uses Cloudflare workers as the entry point, sandboxed containers to safely run the agent, AI gateway to manage model access and costs, browser rendering for web automation, R2 storage for memory and chat history, and zero-trust security to lock everything down. In short, this agent can browse, think, store memory, and respond, all without a physical computer. This is where things get interesting. Moltworker shows a future where AI agents don't need dedicated hardware, latency is lower thanks to edge deployment, security is built in by default, and scaling doesn't require managing servers. You still control the agent, you still self-host it, but the infrastructure disappears into the cloud. Now, let's be clear, this isn't ready for everyone. Moltworker is experimental. It requires a paid Cloudflare workers plan, and it's mainly aimed at developers and tinkerers. But Cloudflare has open-sourced the project, which means anyone can explore, modify, or build on it. Zooming out, Moltworker fits into a much bigger trend. AI is moving closer to users, away from centralized servers, and toward the edge. If this model takes off, future personal AI assistants may not live on your laptop or your home server. They'll live on the edge of the internet. Moltworker isn't about launching the next ChatGPT, it's about proving one idea. The cloud itself can be your AI agent's computer, and that's a shift worth watching. This is TechTide. Stay ahead of the wave.